Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. I'm back. Yeah, I mean, it's a stool. Welcome back. I have this. Guess what? You see it. You see the vibes. Subaru Outback 2022. Yeah, alright? Yo, before I get into the action, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You know the vibes. Hit the like button. Share this video and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this beauty. Let me know what you think about this vehicle. Yeah, I mean, and shout outs to my subscribers. Can't forget that. Alright, let's get it. I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life in this Subaru, alright? Outback 2022. Okay. Alright, let's get it. It's just running right now. I'm gonna do it from the beginning, okay? Shut it down, okay? Okay, alright. See you. Okay. I'm gonna step on the brake. Press the start button. Okay. You see all that? Now, if it goes to the map or when you start the vehicle, just press this guy right here. Okay, that's home. It's gonna take you to this screen. Okay. Sorry about that. So once here, go to this one right here. Click on that. You know what it is. Alright. Now go to maintenance. You'll see this menu. Okay. It's brand new. It only has 3,000 miles. Okay. So you're gonna have to set it up if the dealership hasn't. So you go right here. Click right here and put the number, any number. Let's say let's put 6,000. Okay. Then put set. Okay. Once it's time to reset it, you just press update. Okay. It's gonna go back to the 6,000. That was for the oil filter. Okay, and it's the same for the engine oil. Okay, just click there. Okay. Once it's time to reset the oil life, just press here, update. Okay. And that's pretty much it. That's all you gotta do. Alright. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2022 Subaru Outback. It's pretty nice, by the way. You saw the engine bay in the beginning of this video. For me, it looked like a mix. It looked like they mixed the WRX with the Outback Forester. Know what I'm saying? They did something else with this car. Know what I'm saying? Which is cool. I'm not gonna say no, but hey, it's up to you if you like it or not. Alright, I'm just gonna leave it right here. I hope you like this video. Holla at your boy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, hit the subscribe button. Destroy that. Hit the like button. Share this video. The feedback, put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this vehicle. Let me know what you think about this baby. You know what I mean? Shout outs to my subscribers. I'm gonna leave it right here. See you in the next one. Holla at your boy. I'm out. Out the